Subtracting the given numbers in group of tens with the help of borrowing.
Friends, today in this video, we will learn subtraction by borrowing using groups of tens with the help of conversation between Chi-Chi and Choo-Choo.
Oh, Choo-Choo, when are you coming? Here, I have come. Oh, your house is very beautiful. Thank you, Choo-Choo. Would you like to eat chocolate? Yummy. We ate 18 chocolates out of 52. So now how many chocolates are left? I don't know. Chi-Chi, let's do subtraction after writing 52 and 18 in the box of ones and tens. Yes, let's do it. You had 52 chocolates, which means 5 tens and 2 ones chocolates. We ate 18, means 1 10 and 8 ones chocolates of them. So, here we have to perform 52 minus 18. So first of all, we will perform subtraction of the numbers in the box of ones. But here 2 is smaller number compared to 8. So how can we subtract big number from a small number? We cannot subtract a big number from a smaller number. So, here we will borrow 1 tens from the number 5 of the box of tens. It means the number in the place of ones can borrow from its neighbor number in the box of tens, right? Yes, so here borrowing 1 10 from the 5 tens in the place of tens means subtracting 1 10 from 5 tens, which makes it 4 tens. Oh, so here 1 10 will be less in the place of tens. Absolutely right. Now in the box of ones, it will be 1 borrowed tens equal to 10 ones. Now it will be 2 ones plus 10 ones, meaning 12 ones in the box of ones. Now if we subtract 8 ones from 12 ones, we will have 1, 2, 3 and 4 left. Yes, so we will write 4 in the place of ones. Now, we have to subtract the numbers of the tens place. If we subtract 1 10 from 4 tens, we will get 3 tens. So, we will write 3 in the place of tens. So this way, after eating 18 chocolates from 52 chocolates, we would have 34 chocolates left. Now, if we will eat 15 more chocolates out of the 34 chocolates, then how many chocolates would we have left with? How many would be left if we will subtract 15 from 34? Let's count it. 34 means 3 10 and 4 ones. 15 means 1 tens and 5 ones. We cannot subtract 5 from 4 in the box of ones. So we will borrow 1 tens from 3 tens from the box of tens. So if we subtract 1 10 from 3 tens of box of tens, then we would have 2 tens. We will write 2 at the top of the box of tens. Now we will have 1 borrowed 10 means 10 ones plus 4 ones equal to 14 ones in the box of ones. Now if we subtract 5 ones from 14 ones, we would have 9 ones left. So we will write 9 in the place of ones. Now if we subtract 1 10 from 2 tens in the place of tens, then we will have 1 10 left. So we will write 1 in the box of tens. So this way, if we eat 15 chocolates from 34 chocolate, then we would have 19 chocolates left. Choo-Choo, would you eat more chocolates? Oh no! Now if I will eat more chocolates, then my teeth will get cavities. Yes, you are right. Chichi, let us make a bouquet with these roses. Yes, let's do it.
Children, in this video, you have learned subtracting the given numbers in groups of tens with the help of borrowing. In the next video, we will see how Chichi and Chuchu use borrowing for subtractions while making a bouquet of flowers.